Anna, do you know where my socks are?
Your socks? Which ones? The black ones or the gray ones?
The black ones. I need them for work.
I think they're in the top drawer.
The top drawer of the dresser?
Yes, right next to your belts.
I only see the gray ones.
Check behind them. I put the black ones in the back.
Oh, here they are.
See? I told you.
Honey, do you know where my blue shirt is?
Which one? The one you wore last week?
Yeah, that one. I can't find it anywhere.
I think I folded it and put it in the closet.
In the closet? On the top shelf?
No, on the middle shelf, next to your sweaters.
Ah, got it. Thanks. I really need it for today.
No problem. Let me know if you can't find it.
Found it. You're a lifesaver.
Anytime.
Anna, do you know where my pants are?
Which ones?
The black pants I wore yesterday.
They're on the hanger.
On the hanger? In the closet?
Yes, right inside the closet on the left.
Oh, I didn't see them.
You probably looked too fast.
Anna, have you seen my workout clothes?
Which ones? The brown set or the blue set?
The blue one. I want to go for a run.
It should be in the drawer, under your t-shirts.
I checked there, but I can't find it.
Did you look on the right side?
Oh, no, I only looked on the left.
Here it is. See?
Ah, how did I miss that?
It was hard to notice.
Anna, do you know where my white t-shirt is?
It's in the laundry. I washed it this morning.
Oh, is it still wet?
Yeah, it's hanging on the drying rack.
I wanted to wear it today.
Sorry, it won't be dry yet. Maybe wear the blue one.
Okay, that works too.
If you want, I can put the fan near it to make it dry faster.
No, it's fine. I'll save it for tomorrow.
Good idea. I'll fold it for you once it's dry.
Anna, have you seen my phone?
Your phone? Did you check the living room?
Yes, it's not there.
What about the kitchen table?
I looked. It's not there either.
Did you leave it in the bedroom?
Nope, not in the bedroom.
Did you check your jacket pockets?
Oh, wait. Found it. It was in my jacket.
I knew it. You always leave it there.
Honey, where are the car keys? I can't find them anywhere.
I think they're on the dining table.
Not here. Are you sure?
Did you check the living room? Maybe you left them on the sofa.
Nope, this is driving me crazy.
Wait, what about your bag?
Ah, here they are. Thanks, honey.
Finally. Let's go before we're late.
Do you know where the popcorn I was eating while watching the movie yesterday is?
The popcorn? I think it's in the refrigerator.
In the refrigerator? Why would it be there?
You said you didn't want it to get stale, remember?
Oh, right. Let me check. Yep, it's here.
See? I told you.
Where's the fish we're going to cook for dinner?
It's in the freezer, on the second shelf.
The second shelf? Let me check.
Yeah, right in the middle.
Where did you put the wine glasses we got as a gift last month?
The wine glasses? They're in the kitchen cabinet.
Which cabinet?
The one above the sink.
Oh, here they are.
Yep, I put them there so they wouldn't get dusty.
Where did you put the pan?
The pan? It's in the lower cabinet.
The one next to the oven?
Yes, open the left door.
Got it.
I moved it there yesterday to make more space.
Do you know where my glasses are?
Your glasses? I think I saw them in the drawer under the TV.
In the drawer? Okay, let me check.
Yeah, the small one on the right side.
Oh, here they are. You were right.
See? I knew I saw them there earlier.
Have you seen the book I was reading yesterday?
Yeah, I put it on the bookshelf this morning.
Really? Which shelf?
The first bookshelf, on the fourth shelf.
Yep, here it is.
See? I didn't want it lying around.